in the kitchen today. We're gonna make yellow curry chicken. We went to Trader Joe's yesterday and got a whole bunch of great ingredients, our shredded carrots and the Trader Joe's Thai style yellow curry sauce. And this is wonderful, I'm looking forward to using it. But if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, you can find the yellow curry powder in the grocery section in the Asian aisle. And it's about 2 tablespoons to 1 can of coconut milk. Here's our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They're defrosting. I had them in the freezer. We're gonna add a little bit of spinach, 2 potatoes, onion, cilantro. So let me start getting everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it. Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you. I have my large saucepan over medium-high heat and I've added in our olive oil. So I'm just gonna coat the bottom of the pan by tilting it back and forth. And to this, we're gonna add our sliced large Spanish onion. And we're going to cook that until it's light golden brown on the edges. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. Now that our onions have this light golden brown color on the edges, I'm going to add in our chicken that I cubed, and we're going to brown our chicken. Once you have all the chicken nicely browned, then we're gonna add in our 1/4 cup of our yellow curry sauce. And we're gonna add in our 1 can of coconut milk. We're gonna bring this to a boil and simmer it for 15 minutes. I have my potatoes cubed and I have them soaking in cold water so they don't get discolored. I'm just gonna strain those off. And the timer just went off for our chicken. It's been simmering for 15 minutes. So we are going to add in our potatoes. And we are gonna add in, that was 2 russet potatoes cubed, 1 cup of shredded carrots, and a 1/2 cup of our golden raisins. We'll get all of that mixed in, and now we're gonna let it simmer for another 20 minutes. So this has been simmering for 20 minutes, and I just taste tested it, and I felt that it was lacking a little bit of oomph. So I added another 1/4 cup of the Trader Joe's yellow curry, and also I think it's missing some more pungent garlic flavor. So this is Crystallized candied ginger, again from Trader Joe's. So maybe one day Trader Joe's will help sponsor our class. And I'm gonna add these to it and add that ginger sweetness that I think it needs a little bit more of. So we're gonna continue to cook this for another 15 minutes. I really want the potatoes to break down. And then the last thing to go in will be our spinach. This is 2 cups packed spinach. That will go in at the very end. Our curry has been simmering for an hour, and you can see that most of the potatoes have started to break down, and it also has gotten very thick. If you notice that your curry is getting too thick, you can always add a 1/2 cup or even a whole cup of water and thin it out. But now that it's been simmering this long, we're gonna add in our spinach. So we wanna increase the nutritional value in our food, and spinach is a wonderful source of iron. It has lots of nutrients, and anytime I can add spinach to a dish, I love to do so. And so we're just gonna add this in and cook it until it's wilted, and then we can serve it. Here is our finished Thai yellow curry with chicken, potatoes, carrots, raisins, spinach, and candied ginger. And I am gonna put it over a bed of Basmati rice, which is the perfect accompaniment for this. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to take a bite. But before we do so, I'm gonna sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top, and this garnish a little bit more flavor. There we go, beautiful. Again, this is pretty simple because we had our Trader Joe's Thai style yellow curry sauce. But if you can't get this, then you can get the yellow curry powder in the Asian aisle in your grocery store. And I did change something. This is a 1/2 cup instead of a 1/4 cup. And I added 2 pieces of crystallized candied ginger. So when I type this up in the YouTube comment section, I'll make sure to make those changes so you have it for when you're making it. It is absolutely wonderful. It tastes delicious, and I hope it inspires you to make this at home. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everybody. Bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.